Hey everybody, it's Neil. And I don't have a lot of things that take a 9-volt batteries, but like the smoke detector and a few things do. So it's good to have some 9-volt batteries around. I got these ones here. These are from POWEROWL, and they're 9-volt alkaline batteries, and they have a 5-year shelf life. So I figure, okay, I'll get these. They'll last a while. So it's always good to have some on hand. And it looks like they come packed in packs of 2. You can see 2, 2, 2, 2. So 4 packs of 2, and they just look like 9-volt batteries. So looks like these are going to be good for my stuff. It says high capacity alkaline battery, 0% mercury, so that's good. And so these are by Power Owl. I've gotten a few things from these guys before, and they've all worked really well. I've gotten different AA's and some rechargeables and stuff, but these ones here are going to be for like smoke detectors and stuff like that, so don't necessarily need rechargeables for that. So these are good, so I like it. Thumbs up.